and I would say it's rather large, especially for just power adapter, but do not forget that this part gets inserted here and you are pretty much done. It's USB-C, by the way, so you can use it somewhere else as well, which is really handy feature, at least in my opinion. And here you can see that we have a normal Chinese socket, so I wonder how this part will go inside. So just give me a second. I guess it should replace it completely. I will have to consult with the assembly manual, usage manual, and see how it is possible to replace. So I will definitely update the article with the review. And next we continue with the anti-theft tags. And there was one more thing. Just give me a second. I think, no, it's just a fixed rate. So overall we get a quite, I would say, high quality power bank. And maybe we can try to switch it on in order to see if it will work. Yeah, as you can see, it's 100. And we have the charge depicted in 3 digits, which is quite handy. We also have this Apple Watch adapter, which is also a cool thing, which I was searching for. And of course, the overall build quality is quite okay, I would say. Even though it is touted as a high-end power bank, I would say it is upper tier. I would say it's one of the best I've seen up to the date. So that's why I really recommend to check it. And of course, I will be happy to hear your opinion about such stuff. Write it in the comment section below or press the like button if you like this video unboxing. And I will see you in the next video review as usual. Thank you for joining me today and bye.